the question that this research aims to answer is, to what extent do food pleasure and food desire increase the selection of high-calorie content in food choice, and to what extent do these relationships weaken when a bi-spiritual bundle is moderating different behavioral segments? From an academic point of view, answering this question will be relevant because there are some studies that suggest that reward systems composed by food desire and food pleasure contribute to eating behaviors such as eating disorders, food choice, and food preference. Nevertheless, to the best of our knowledge, no one has conducted a research where not only the reward systems are present, but also a moderator that offers a variety seeking in calorie content when choosing food. Furthermore, from a practical point of view, this study will help to create more customized products according to the different psychological traits. In fact, it will help to create plates that satisfy the customer's choice without the need to increase calories. This will also help companies to fight the beliefs that they are one of the contributors to the obesity pandemic. From the literature, the terms used are liking and wanting, which we will refer as food pleasure and food desire, respectively. Food pleasure, food desire, and the interaction between them increases caloric food choice, leading to a positive relationship. Food desire will be more relevant in determining caloric food choice. The effect of food pleasure, food desire, and the interaction of both on caloric food choice will be weaker when the bi-spiritual bundle shows 5 options than when it shows 2 extreme options, leading to a negative relationship. We use a between subject design to compare actual choice when bi-spiritual bundles are included versus not included in a choice set. The main purpose is to study whether the consumer's choice among different bi-spiritual bundles depend on food liking and food wanting attitudes. The psychological traits of food pleasure and food desire are measured using general subscales, which are the HDAS pleasure and the DBQ emotional plus the DBQ external subscales, respectively. For running our analysis, we use cluster analysis to find the different segments. Afterwards, we use ANOVA analysis to check if their food choice behavior differed, analyzing the mean differences. Finally, in order to see how much food liking, food wanting, and the interaction between them influenced the food choice option, we use a logit and a multinomial regression. From the results, we confirm hypothesis 1, 2, 3, and 4 that both pleasure and desire are good caloric food choice predictors, desire being the most noticeable. Measuring them, we found 3 different segments named reward lovers, half epicurious, and non-indulgents. In general terms, we can also confirm hypotheses 5, 6, and 7, looking to the drop in the aggregate calorie consumption. However, in the segmentation terms, results show differential effects on calorie consumption, being half epicurious the only segment that will accept this hypothesis, whereas for non-indulgent and reward lover will be rejected. In the light of our findings, we propose that introducing bi-spiritual bundles may offer an opportunity to motivate some consumers, half epicurious, towards a less caloric and healthier consumption. Nevertheless, there is still a need to manage special marketing efforts to persuade reward lovers, mainly, and non-indulgent towards the less caloric choices. Thus, from a management perspective, it will be easier to manage the marketing efforts if the found segments will be described in the usual psychodemographic profiles, attending to the necessities. From a theoretical perspective, besides accepting all the previous work that acknowledged food desire and food pleasure as the drivers of caloric food choice, we also throw some light in the bi-spiritual bundle tool proposed by Liu, specifying his concept through segments. Furthermore, our general skills that we use to measure desire and pleasure offer a short and a quick tool that could help to predict food choice to more companies and organizations.